Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x divided by 3 and its whole exponent is 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we apply this exponent separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes x to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. Here we move this 3 to the power 4 to the right hand side, and it will becomes x to the power of 4 is equals to 3 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. And now you see here in the right hand side the exponent of these two terms are same, so that we combine the exponent of these terms and we get 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. So you see here 3 times 2 becomes 6, and we obtain here 6 to the power of 4. And now we move 6 to the power of 4 into the left hand side, and it will becomes x to the power of 4 minus 6 to the power of 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we rewrite this equation as this is x to the power of 4, and we write it as x square and its whole square minus this is 6 to the power of 4, and we write it as 6 square and its whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. According to this algebraic formula, we write the above equation as in this form. First, we have a minus b. The value of a is x square minus the value of b is 6 square into, again we have a plus b. The value of a is x square, the value of b is 6 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we again apply this nice formula on here, and it will be written as x minus 6 times of x plus 6 into this is x square plus 6 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we divide this equation into the three cases. The first case is we write x minus 6 equals to 0. Second case is we write x plus 6 equals to 0. And the third case is we write x square plus 6 square is equals to 0. So from the first case we get the value of x is equals to plus 6. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get the value of x is equal to minus 6. This is the second root of the given equation, and in order to find the other roots we need to simplify this equation. So here we move this plus 6 square to the right hand side, and it will becomes minus 6 square. So here for the values of x, we need to remove this x square from both of the sides, especially for the left hand side, so that we will take square root on both of the sides. And now you see here these two and square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to, here we apply square root separately on both of these two values, and we apply square root on 6 square and square root on minus 1. And now here in the next step we have these 2 and square root are gone, and we get 6, and we know about that minus 1 square root is equals to iota. Further, you see here we apply the square root on both of the sides, so that we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So we have these are the two complex roots, and x is equals to plus minus 6. These are the two real root of the given equation. And now here in the next steps we need to verify that these values of x be the solution or extraneous root. So for verification of these values, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x over 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. So first we verify the values x is equals to plus minus 6. So it means that we substitute x is equals to plus minus 6 into the left hand side of the above equation, and we check its behavior, so that when we substitute this value here it will becomes plus minus 6 divided by 3 and its whole power is 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. And now here we need little bit more simplification. You see here this is 3 times 2 becomes 6, and we get here plus minus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. Here you know that When we have the base is negative and its exponent is even number, so it will always gives us the positive answer. So this plus minus becomes here plus, and we obtain 2 to the power of 4 only. So here you clearly see here we get 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. It means that x is equals to plus minus 6 is satisfied our given question statement. And now we verify the other two roots, and the other two roots are x is equals to plus minus 6 iota. And now we substitute this value of x on both of the side on left hand side of the given equation. So it will becomes here plus minus 6 iota divided by 3 and its whole power is 4 equals to 2 to the power of 4. So from here we have this is again 3 times 2 becomes 6, and we obtain plus minus 2 iota and its whole power 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. Here you again see that the exponent is even number and its base is positive or negative. So its base always gives us the positive answer when our exponent is even number. So this plus minus becomes here plus, and we apply 4 separately on both of these two values, and we get 2 to the power of 4 into iota to the power of 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. And here we know about that iota square is equals to minus 1, and iota to the power of 4 is equals to plus 1. Okay, so this is the definition of iota or imaginary number. So this means that iota to the power of 4 equals to 1, and we get 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. This means that again both of the sides are equal. It means that all the values, all the four roots of the given equation are satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this question is plus minus 6 and plus minus 6 iota. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.